Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Myself is Professor Dr. Deshpande. We are in the serial Ayurveda for all. Ayurvedic knowledge should be spread in each and every part of the world to make the people happy. I am explaining you Ayurvedic principles, Ayurvedic management in a very simple and lucid language, but at the same time giving you some scientific explanation and scientific background. We are continuing in this audio video regarding the talk about types of Pitta Dosha. As everybody knows, Dosha Dhatu Mala Moolam Hi Shariram. Human body is composed of three bioenergies, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, seven Dhatus, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asthi, Majja and Shukra, and three gross waste products, Mutra, Purisha and Sveda, urine, stool and sweat. And now, what we are talking? We are talking the headquarters, capital cities of each dosha. Vata dosha has 5 types or the headquarters. Pitta dosha has also 5 types, 5 important located places, types which are doing very specific functions, and there are 5 types of kapha dosha as well. We will continue the types of Pitta Dosha. Pitta Dosha is the bioenergy with the Ushna, Tikshna property. Ushna is a heat and hot, so it can be compared like a thermal energy of the body. You must try to understand, whenever we want to make any change in any substance, we will require the thermal energy, fire element. That heat will turn the Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Sound can be changed, touch can be changed, smell can be changed. Only application of the heat should be there. So Pitta is responsible for transformation, digestion, metabolism. Now we are talking about types of Pitta Dosha. What are the types? Pachaka, all the enzymes, digestive juices in the digestive tract, which is mainly concerned with the primary digestion of the food. Proteins are converted to amino acids, carbohydrates are converted to glucose, and fats are converted to fatty acids. Who is doing this conversion? Pachaka Pitta. Ranjak Pitta, situated in the liver, spleen, intrinsic factor of the stomach, bone marrow, everywhere. Whenever there is erythropoiesis, formation of the red blood cells, formation of the blood, formation of the hemoglobin, who is doing? Ranjaka Pitta is doing. That is the main metabolic process in the body. Unless and until we have the blood, we can't live. We can't live. Then Pachaka, Ranjaka, Bhrajaka. Bhrajaka is very important. Skin. You will say, what is the importance of skin over there, sir? You try to understand, my dear friends. Skin is nothing but a reflection of your physiological internal metabolism. If you are digesting your food well, if the tissue metabolism is going well, you have the proper rasa dhatu, rakta dhatu, mausa dhatu, muscles, bones, fats, reproductive tissue. Each and every tissue metabolism is good, then it will be definitely reflected on your whole body through your skin. That's why internal metabolism is reflected on skin. That is why skin is also important capital city of Pitta Dosha. And who is the Pitta? Which is the Pitta? Bhrajaka Pitta. Then in the last session I have talked to you about Sadhaka Pitta, which is related with your intelligence. And today I am going to talk to you about last type of the Pitta. Pachak, Ranjak, Bhrajak, Sadhak and Alochak Pitta. What is the explanation? Drukstham Alochakam. Drukstham. Druk. Try to understand. This is druk. Eyes. Vision. This is related with the which? Alochak Pitta. Remember, Alochak Pitta, eyes. Alochak Pitta, eyes. Alochak Pitta, vision. Whatever I am grasping, the light, whatever the light I am grasping, I am identifying the different objects. So vision is the most important function to live proper quality of life. Vision, very important. So vision, who is giving you the vision? That is Alochak Pitta. Remember this word. Without Pitta, you cannot see. Vision is very important with Pitta Dosha. Now let us try the scientific background. When the light rays come and enter into my eye, they go up to the retina. Last layer of your eye is called as retina. Very important part in your eye, innermost part. But there are photosensitive cells are there. In the retina, there are 10 layers. And in that layers, photosensitive layer is formed by two types of cells, rods and cones. Rods, R-O-D-S. Rods and cones are the names of the cells. Where they are? In the retina. Why these cells are important? They are called as photosensitive cell. That means they grasp your light rays, they identify the object. When the light rays attack or get a touch to this rods and cones, then all the chemical reaction starts. There, rhodopsin. Try to understand the name. Scientific explanation for the Ayurveda. Rhodopsin is the name of the enzyme situated in the retina. Rhodopsin. Rhodopsin. Any enzyme, any hormone, any neurotransmitter, any chemical can be compared with Pitta Dosha activity. Remember my words. Any enzyme, any neurotransmitter, any hormonal, these all activities can be compared with the both Pitta Dosha functions or Pitta Dosha activity. So, when rhodopsin get stimulated, what is happening with the light rays? It gets decomposed. Try to understand. I am explaining a little scientific explanation for the Alochak Pitta. What is happening in the concern with Alochak Pitta? How it is related with the vision? So this is a rhodopsin. That enzyme gets decomposed. And what is happening, the chemical reaction in that cells? Hyperpolarization. Remember my words. Hyperpolarization occurring in the cells situated in the retina. Hyperpolarization. This is more complicated scientific term, but medical students must be understanding this term. So, a little scientific, little easy. So, this is rhodopsin. Decomposed, hyperpolarization, and then that particular series of chemical reactions, which is the activity of Pitta Dosha, takes place. And then action potential develops. Action potential, AP, is generated. AP, action potential, is generated in that cells in the retina, and then there is stimulation to the optic nerve, and then optic pathway takes place, and all these particular stimulation goes to this particular area, temporal lobe, and there 17, 18 and 19 numbers are there. Typical area in the brain, they are given numbers by the scientist. Which are the numbers related with your vision, with your optic pathway? 17, 18 and 19. Where are the centers? Optic centers here. Optic center. So light rays, they give the stimulation to the retina. All the chemical reaction starts because of the Alochak Pitta, and then only you can have the vision, proper vision. Now many people will again ask me, so why this is a headquarter? Why this is a capital city? Because Ayurveda says the effect of excessive heat outside or inside always reflected in your eyes. When you go in the hot sun, your eyes becomes red. So Ayurveda says each sensory organ is connected with some typical Panchamahabhuta. Sarvam idam Panchabhutikam asminarthe. All the elements are made up of 5 basic elements, that is true. But any element is predominance comparatively excess of particular Mahabhuta. So my netra, my eyes are Tej Mahabhuta Pradhana. Tej Mahabhuta Pradhana, my eyes. are very much connected with the fire element. So, my request is you have to maintain the homeostasis of Pitta dosha inside your body. Then and then only your vision can be normal. Otherwise, there will be problem. So, there should not be excessive Pitta. There should not be low Pitta. If proper Pitta is there, then you can maintain your eyes vision and also all other characteristics of the eyes. Basically, physiological function is vision. So my dear friends, in this video session I have completed the 5 types of Pitta dosha. As you know very well, they are Pachak, Ranjak, Bhrajak, Sadhak and Alochak. My dear friends, I will continue the types of Kapha dosha in the next audio video session. Till then, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Please take care. Good take care of yourself and spread this particular Ayurvedic knowledge to your colleagues, to your friends, to your teachers, to your patients, everywhere. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. I am always grateful to you. Thanks a lot.